Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your console and storage for a safe update process. Backup saved data to external storage or to cloud services immediately. Use a USB drive formatted FAT32 or XFAT and ensure at least 400 MB free space. On the USB, create folders named PS4, then update, and place the file PS4 update. PUP in that path. Confirm your PlayStation network account information and password are available. Charge your controller and keep the console plugged into power. Avoid powering off the PS4 during updates to prevent corruption. To update over the internet, start at Settings and select System Software Update. The PS4 will check for available updates and begin downloading automatically. Typical downloads range between 300-500 MB depending on the version and console model. Keep the console connected to a stable internet connection while the download proceeds. After download, the system will verify the file and begin installation with an automatic restart. Wait patiently during installation until the console returns to the home screen. Never power off the PS4 during verification or installation to avoid damage. If internet updates fail, use a USB drive with PS4 update. PUP in PS4/update. Power off the PS4 completely and then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and choose Start in Safe Mode on screen. Select Option 7, Reinstall System Software, to install the full firmware from USB. This process erases all data, so confirm backups are complete before proceeding. The reinstall file is larger, often around 1 GB, so ensure your USB has sufficient free space. Follow on-screen prompts and wait until the console restarts fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.